Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of production engineering or manufacturing science. The topic is metal cutting. Question number 45 is tool life testing on a lathe under dry cutting conditions gave N and C of Taylor tool life equation as 0.12 and 130 respectively. When a coolant was used, C is increased by 10%. Find the percentage increase in tool life with the use of coolant at uh, at a cutting speed of 90 meter per minute. Option A 119.8%, option B 130%, option C 68%, and option D 91%. So here under dry condition, suppose the tool life equation is Vt is equal for N is equal to C, N is your 0.12 and C is your 130, that is given. Okay, 0.12 and C is 30. So V is given as 90 meter per minute. So speed is V, and so we can find out T. So T is your 21.52 minutes. Okay, so T comes out as 21.52 minutes. So under the condition when the coolant is applied, so when coolant is applied, that C has been increased by 10%. So the new C is your 130 into 1.1, that is 143. And the tool life equation suppose new tool life is Tc when the coolant is applied, and speed is same, that is for the same speed tool life is Tc. Okay, and the equation is your Vtc raised for n equal to C, that is Vtc 0.12 equal to 143. So V is your 90 and Tc and C is your 143. So we can find out Tc. So Tc is your 47.4 minutes. So percentage increase in tool life Tc minus T by T is your new tool life is 47.4. Old tool life is 21.52. So that percentage increase is 47.4 minus 21.52 divided by 21.52, or that is that factor is 1.2. So the increase in percentage of life is 120%. So answer is option A. Next question number 46. A 15 diameter HS drill is used at a cutting speed of 20 meter per minute and a feed rate of 0.2 per revolution. Under these conditions, drill life is 100 minutes. The drilling length of each hole is 45 and the time taken for the idle motion is 20 seconds. The tool change time is 300 seconds. Question number 46. The number of holes produced using one drill, option A 125, option B 116, option C 189, option D 102. Question number 47. The average production time per hole, option A 31.279 second, option B 53.329 second, option C 51.279 second, and option D 41 seconds. So here given that the cutting speed of drill is 20 meter per minute and the feed is 0.2 per revolution and diameter is 15 Suppose n is rpm, then pi d n is equal to v, and d is your 15 and b is your 20,000 meter per per minute. So n will be your 20,000 by pi into 15. So this is your n, and feed per minute is as this is your n, so feed per revolution is given, so this is the number of revolution per unit time. So feed per minute will be f multiplied by this. Okay, so that will be 4,000 by pi into 15. Okay, so feed per minute is this. So length of each hole is 45 So time for actual drilling of one hole, so that is length is 45 and feed per minute is this quantity. So 4,000 divided by pi into 15. So time for actual drilling of one hole is your 0.53014 minutes or 31.8 seconds. Okay, so that is the time for actual drilling of one hole. Okay, and drill life is given as 100 minutes when actual cutting is performed. Okay, so now time for producing one hole is 31.8 seconds and drill life is 100 into 60 seconds. So number of holes produced by one drill is 100 into 60 divided by time for producing one hole, that is 189, approximately 189. Okay, so number of holes produced by using one drill is 189 and uh, during during cutting, when cutting time is cutting time of one hole is your 31.8 and there is an idle time also, that is given as that is 20 seconds. So the total actual time for producing one hole is 31.8 plus 20, that is 51.8 seconds. So total time for producing 189 hole using one drill. So that is the time for producing one hole. Okay, and that is the number of holes. Okay, so total time is 189 into 51.8, that is 9773.62 seconds. And so this is the total time for producing one hole. Okay, and uh, by using one rig, and sudden when one drill fails, then the tool change, and tool changing time is given as 300 seconds. So total time for producing by using one drill will be uh, this amount, that is actual cutting operation or actual hole producing operation plus tool changing time. So because one drill involves that tool changing time also. So total time with change tool change time is your 9773.62 plus 300, or that would be 10073.624. So average production time per hole will be this is your total time with tool changing, and number of holes produced by using one drill is 189. So actual production time per hole is 53.3 seconds. So answer is option B. And answer to question number 46 is 46 is D. Number of hole produced are 189, so answer is 46 is C, sorry, and 47 is D. 46 is C, comma D. Okay, 46 is C and 47 is